May peace be upon you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Diazonic Labs. If you are new to our channel, request you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our free tutorials. So let's quickly begin with the topic for today. Today I'll be telling you how to update or upgrade your Windows 10 to the latest version. Okay, so firstly we'll be checking the Windows 10 version. Okay, so I'll go into settings. In settings I'll click on the first option which I get, which is system, and in system I'll just scroll down and click on the about option, and here I can see that my Windows 10 Pro version is 1909, but according to Microsoft the recent update version is version 2004 or 2004. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just close this, and in the search option we'll just type update here, and we can find an option which says check for update. It'll take me to the Windows update section, and here I'll just click on this particular button which says check for updates. Okay, it is now checking for the updates, so it will take some time depending on the internet connection as well. Okay, we'll just so here it says my Windows is up to date. Okay, so this is where the problem occurs. Our Windows update tool says that our Windows is up to date, but as we know that this is not the latest version of Windows. Okay, for that what we'll be doing is we'll just minimize this and we'll open our browser. Okay, for me my browser is Google Chrome. Okay, so this is my browser, and here I'll just type for Windows 10 download. Okay, once I type on this and once I search, I'll get many results. Okay, so here I'll be clicking on the first option which I get, okay, which is from www.microsoft.com. okay, I'll just click on this. It will take me to the official Microsoft website, and here I have an option which says update now. Okay, I'll just click on that. Once I do that, it'll ask me to download the Windows Update Assistant. Okay, so I'll just select proper file path. Okay, I'll just save it on my desktop, and I'll just click on save. Okay, once that is done, I'll just open that. This is my Windows Update Assistant. So it is asking me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll just click on yes. It'll take some time. Okay, so here update to latest version of Windows. Here it says that this PC is running on version 1909, but the latest version is 2004. Okay, so I'll just click on update now here. So congratulations, this PC is compatible. Okay, it has checked my CPU, it has checked my memory, and it has checked my disk space, and everything is okay. And I'll just click on next. And here now it is getting your update ready. Okay, we'll just wait. It depends on your internet connection as well. Okay, as we can see, the download has started. It will take some time. Okay, it is downloading, and once the download is finished, it will ask us to restart. Okay, so we can restart it, and once we click on the restart button, our PC or laptop will restart, and during this while our installation or update will get installed properly, and then we'll get this particular message on our desktop. Now what you can do is just click on the search bar and then just search for settings. In settings we'll just select the first option, which is system, and in system I'll just scroll down and I'll click on about, and here in about I'll just scroll down again, and yeah, now I can see that my Windows 10 Pro version is 2004 or 2004. Okay, there is one more way to check the Windows 10 version. What you can do is just go to start and just search for run. Okay, we have a run app. In the run app, what you can type is, you can type as WinVer, okay, WINVER, and just click on OK. Yeah, you can see the Windows version, and yeah, I can see here Microsoft Windows version 2004. Okay, that's all.